Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, you're so much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the unending support. I know it's been long. I also missed you guys. It's because I've just been here and there, and I was not like really in a position to make videos because I was kind of busy. So now I'm here, and today I'm just going to give a review or a trial of this Naked Urban Decay in Honey eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to try a few colors in it. Yeah, it's a good gift. So this definitely is going to be a warm look, like silent colors. I don't want to call them dark, but because they are I don't want to call them dull because they are shimmery and also matte in it. So with no further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm first going to use this Dove moisturizing cream to moisturize my face before everything else, and this will help me to have, or rather achieve, a hydrated skin throughout the day when I have my makeup on. And as you can see, I'm applying it all over my skin, and then I'm going to use a Rimmel Stay Matte primer to prime my face. And the importance of applying a primer is that you will achieve a smooth texture before applying your makeup products, and so it is important. And then I'm going to like set my face using my normal finishing powder, and this is important because I want to have my makeup matte throughout the day. Like, it really helps to have a matte look all day, so you can do that. And then I'm going to use this concealer to as a base coat for my eyeshadow. And as you can see, I'm using a very light concealer because I want to achieve a properly pigmented eyeshadow over my eyelid. So I'm going to use a very light concealer to achieve this. So make sure you apply it throughout your eyelid, and just apply an ample amount that is enough all over your eyelid, and make sure it settles really well by using the dabbing technique to avoid caking or rather lines on your eyelid after you apply your eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use this color as a transitioning color, and as you can see, I'm applying it over my brow bone, and I'm using the polish and go technique. And normally your transitioning color is always advisable to use a neutral color, and in this case this color is really neutral, as you can see. And it will help me during the blending of my eyeshadow, like every other color that I will use, and this will serve as a blending color. And then, sorry, I did not show, but I used dark chocolate brown for the outer corner of my eye. And this at the outer corner of your eye, it is advisable that you use the darkest color, or rather a smoky color. And you apply it at the outer corner of the eye, and also polish it going towards the inner corner of the eye and the half outer part of your crease, like over the eye socket, as you can see. So I'm using the polish and go technique to allow the eyeshadow to settle properly and smoothly over my eyelid. And then I'm going to make a cut crease using the same concealer I used as a base coat. And at the cut crease, also make sure you use ample amount of product on your cut crease, because if you use so much product, it will cake, or rather form lines on your crease while applying your eyeshadow, and that is not really good. So if there's any excess product, make sure you pick any excess product using the other side of your brush. So, and maintain a steady hand while making your cut crease, because the cut crease should have a really defined, or rather proper shape. Is it half moon or rather crescent shape? Yeah, but it has to have a really defined shape. So I'm going to use the darkest color that I used first at the outer corner of my eye, and I'm introducing it at the outer part of my cut crease by using the dabbing technique. And this dabbing technique also helps you to like apply the product properly at the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm just going to use my first transitioning color um, uh, after using my darkest color, and then I'm going to just use the same brush of the darkest color at the outer corner of my eye to uh, um, allow proper transitioning onto the next color. And then I'm just going to use a medium shimmery color at the middle part of my cut crease, and this shimmery color adds pop onto this part of my cut crease. So it is important that you use a medium shimmery color on your cut crease. And then in the inner corner of my eye, I'm just going to use the lightest highlighting color, and this is because it will enhance the inner corner of the inner corner of the eye. It will enhance how it really will look. So it is important that you put that into use, and this is the outcome of the blending and the application of my eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to use this eyeliner to go over my cut crease to make a distinction between those two parts of the eye. And then I'm going to apply my dramatic lashes, because my god, it's the first time I'm applying dramatic lashes, so I was also in awe. And then this is our final eyeshadow and dramatic lashes look. I love the look. So this is the outcome, and I really find it flattering and also classy, warm, and really gentle on my face. So I loved the outcome. So yeah, guys, this is our final look. Yeah, and by the way, it is my first time trying dramatic lashes on a very warm look, and I like the outcome. They're actually really light, and also the eyeshadow is a very good one because it has very good pigmentation, and you don't have to use a lot, and the color will still like really pop. So this is the look for me. But you can always try with more natural looking lashes, if that's correct, like not so dramatic like this one's, because of course you will still like look dope. So share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I promise you guys, I will always be consistent in uploading my videos. So see you next time.